Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I am the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we are going to be discussing top OTC stocks today. They are Capstone companies, CAPC on the OTC markets, Digital Locations, DLOC on the OTC markets, Vnue on the OTC markets, and Worksport Limited, Wksp on the OTC markets. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion and meant for informational, educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video, hit the red subscribe button and the little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get a first look at stocks we're going to be covering. Stocks like MMMEDF at 63 cents, ENZC at 0.014, ALPP at 7.5 cents, and TSNPD at just under 3 cents. After you sign up with your email, then you can also sign up with your mobile number for US and Canada. Enter 1 plus your area code and number. For UK would be 44 and your number, Switzerland 41 and your number. Text messages are 7 times faster than emails, so this is a good way to not miss any of our alerts. And with that out of the way, let's dive in here. The past few days have been hard on many traders. Most are looking at a sea of red in their portfolios. And, this is what happens when you invest. Markets go up, markets go down. But, what we're trying to do is show you that there's still bright spots and still opportunities to make money on the OTC markets. But, when it comes to investing, there's 3 important rules. Number 1, buy low. Number 2, sell high. And number 3, don't be afraid to take profits. It's just been a incredible run for OTC stock investors so far in 2021. We have all made a tremendous amount of money, and sorry, it's a little tired early here in the morning. Investors should have been periodically selling and booking gains. Look, this diamond hands, paper hands, this is all bullshit. You don't make money until you sell. And, I've been around a long time. Gains can get evaporated quickly. You can be up, 1,000% in a stock, and all of a sudden it corrects 70-80% in one day. So, you just have to keep that in mind. And, you got to take money periodically off the table. And, if you haven't been selling along the way, you got greedy. It's just that plain and simple. As Warren Buffett says, be fearful when others are greedy, be greedy when others are fearful. And with social media, it's easier now than ever to determine market sentiment. The bullish sentiment just got too extreme. Valuations got too far out of whack. And, for those that say valuation doesn't matter, believe me, it does. And right now, there is a plan of action. There are 2 choices for investors because, right now, with what has corrected, we'd feel you'd be selling at the bottom here. So selling is not an option in our opinion. First thing investors can do, do your homework and look for OTC stocks that haven't run. This is what we do at Insider Financial. We scan through hundreds of OTC stocks each week looking for the best alerts for our subscribers. And, there's a lot of them that haven't run yet. And, we're on the hunt for the next ENZC, TSNPD. They may not be as big of winners, but there's certainly, the next runners are out there. And, the key with trading OTC stocks is finding the momentum before it happens and then being patient. We don't believe in chasing. We try to get, subscribers in before the crowd, and buy low, sell high. So get in before everyone else, and then once the rush comes in, that's when you want to sell. For instance, on TSNPD, we got our subscribers in early there. You can read our first article. We said TSNP humble merger is a really big deal back on November 13th. ALPP, back, February of last year, is Alpine Ford Technologies a buy right now? Yes, it was. Those subscribers that got in, they're sitting on over 8,000% gains in ALPP and 17,000 in TSNPD. And not everyone is going to be a winner like these, ALPP or TSNPD. This is why it's important to own a portfolio of OTC stocks. For some, that can be as many as to 10 to 20 or more OTC stocks. It's like, investing as a venture capitalist. They invest across a portfolio of companies. Some are going to go bankrupt, some they'll break even, but then there's a few home runs that, more than make up for any of the losers that they have. And, the second thing for OTC investors to do is look for the, top OTC stocks today that are still showing relative strength. We're talking about OTC stocks that are holding up well, despite the overall sell-off in the OTC market. So, when you see a stock like the four we're going to be discussing today making moves, that's a big positive. So when everyone else is down, these are gaining. These are the stocks you want to be looking for also. And because what's happening is right now is that most investors, they're chasing many of the same names. You talk to any OTC trader and they'll tell you they're all in TSNPD, ENZC, ALPP, ABML, AABB, HCMC. So, when one, two, or three start going down, you get some nervous longs. They start selling the others. So it sort of just creates a stampeding effect. And, this is why it's important to, two things. Always be looking for new ideas and be diversified. A concentrated portfolio of too few names can be very, very painful in the short run and quite distressing for a new OTC investor. But as we say here, we try to help as much as we can, but in the end, it's all up to you. You are running your own trading business. You alone are responsible for your own P&L. Investing is not a team sport. We try to teach here, in addition to finding winning alerts, but we're just one resource. And there are other resources as well. For instance, if you want to day trade, we recommend the folks over at True Trading Group, Mike Edward and the team. They do live streams 6 nights a week. They discuss options, a lot of swing trades, some day trades. They have a lot of educational resources, live chat room with moderators so you can ask questions. So we think this is a tremendous resource for new traders. So check them out and see if True Trading Group is right for you. But moving on, let's get started here with the top OTC stocks today. Number one is CAPC. CAPC is running as the company gets to release 2 smart mirror styles for its 2020 product lineup. While the rest of the OTC markets are selling off, CAPC is making new highs. As you can see from this chart here, this is about as perfect a chart as you will see. And Capstone companies, this is an OTCQB, which is the highest tier of the OTC markets, that engages through its wholly owned subsidiaries, Capstone Industries, Capstone Lighting Technologies, and Capstone International HK Limited, in the development, manufacturing, and marketing of consumer products to retail channels throughout North America and certain international markets. Stuart Wallach, Capstone's chairman and CEO, said, "We are excited to be introducing a second mirror to our connected services collection, a wardrobe fitness smart mirror. This sleek new product operates as a full-length mirror, but also provides the same innovative features and unique experience as our initial entry into the market. Unlike single application fitness mirrors that become popular during the pandemic, our concept is broader in that we see our mirrors as a delivery mechanism for all virtual content." Some bullish facts about CAPC include OTCQB penny stock exempt with audited financials, only $24 million in the public float. Directors own half of the shares. Currently selling products in Costco, Walmart, Home Depot, and more. New smart mirror begins shipping in March. So a lot to like here. Zero dilution, same float for years. Company directors have never sold a single share. Furthermore, CAPC did $12.4 million in revenues in 2019 and $36.7 million in 2017. The company also has just $857,000 in total liabilities. Shareholders don't need to worry about dilution. And bottom line is CAPC is about as real as it gets, yet sports a market cap of just $91 million. We certainly see CAPC as a stock that has more room to run. Top OTC stock today, number 2, is DLOC. This is running after completing the acquisition of Small Cell Site, a leading source of more than 80,000 pre-qualified wireless cell sites. Small Cell Site has a non-exclusive agreements with site owners all over the U.S. to directly offer the use of their properties to network operators such as Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile Sprint to build out their wireless networks. Small Cell Site streamlines workflows and processes in-site cell selection. And what this allows us to do is speeds up implementation, enables repeatable process, and reduces overall costs of the small cell rollout. Bottom line, this is what we really like. 5G mobility is coming, and property owners are in a great position to leverage the need for hundreds of thousands of new antenna sites to serve their tenants and earn new revenue. Small Cell Site allows property owners to tap into a new source of revenue based on their location profile of their property. So in other words, and this is a bottom line, if you're looking for a 5G penny stock, DLOC is your best bet with a current market cap of just $10 million. We don't think DLOC will be this cheap for this much longer. So again, we really like these small market cap plays with the volume and money coming into OTC markets. These small cap plays are really going to get lifted up. Moving on, top OTC stock today, number 3 is Vnue, and Vnue is a name that's starting to attract a lot of attention on the OTC markets for many reasons. As this tweet says, show me a company that is uplisting to OTCQB, giving an equity stake to shareholders, developed an industry disruption, has leadership with proven track record, is poised to take advantage of the new COVID world, is transparent every step of the way. And the price action speaks for itself. This is another one that made new highs yesterday when most of the OTC markets was down. And what Vnue is, it's a music technology company dedicated to monetizing the live music experience for artists, labels, writers, and publishers with products such as its Set.fm instant content distribution platform, exclusive license partner, and instant live pioneer Disc Live, and protecting the rights of artists and writers with the company's Soundster music recognition technology. In 2020, the major tour that Vnue had booked was Matchbox 20, but that was postponed from last July, but it's on the books for July 2021. And with vaccines being rolled out, that looks like a timetable that will be reached. Additionally, Vnue expects many artists and labels will seek additional revenue sources when they begin to tour again, looking to make up for losses they experienced in 2020, and that is certainly the case. In a recent update, Vnue reported the company is also encouraged about the recent significant increase in our stock price. We believe this increase reflects the value of our Soundster technology, our Set.fm live music production and distribution technology, and positions us well to improve our liquidity in 2021. As previously disclosed, the company has been in meaningful discussions with several entities to improve our balance sheet and to provide additional liquidity and working capital for our business. And this is another one with just a $44 million market cap. We see Vnue as having more room to run. And finally, top OTC stock today is Wksp. This is a classic example of if you miss this move, just wait for the dip and buy dip red days. So look for support to form and buy. So again, don't go chasing these runners. If you miss them, just wait for the retracement. They always pull back. You'll get another opportunity and they'll run again. There's just a lot of momentum right now. There's a lot of traders looking for past runners. So there's a lot of opportunities. So this is a textbook case of buying the dip. And Wksp is running again after announcing the company is in final phase of discussions with a few very high-value strategic partners. These are Tier 1 and Tier 2 OEM. Manufacturing powerhouses in Canada to expand its manufacturing to North American state-of-the-art facilities with 20,000 to 50,000 square feet of operating space. These discussions involve logistics for the best and most effective ways to support the growth of Worksport. We see Wksp as an attractive alternative energy play that will benefit from the Biden administration. The company develops and manufactures high-quality modular, attractively priced tonneau covers and solar-powered system for light-duty trucks such as the Sierra, Silverado, Canyon, Ram, Ford F-Series, etc., and consumer adventures and emergency disaster recovery purposes where portable energy is a necessity. So we really like what this company does. Company plans are also being constructed to address the dire adoption scaling needs of the EV markets with grid microcharging stations to provide convenience and efficiency in recharging to smaller form factor EVs. And this is a small cap EV play with a market cap of just 46 million. So this is certainly one that we see has more room to run with its low market cap. Bottom line, folks, there's always opportunities in these markets. If you're running your own, as you're running your own trading business, what we do, and what we do here at Insider Financial, it's our job to find winning stocks, and they're out there. And the best part is huge gains can be made in such a short amount of time. Again, if you missed any of these top plays and you missed the move and you really liked them, be patient, throw in bids below the market, buying dips and selling rips as swing trades remains the best strategy. Lastly, it's also important to look for the penny stocks that have yet to run. There are plenty of opportunities out there, and that's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. There's hundreds of penny stocks we look at each week. This is what I enjoy doing. I enjoy the Warren aspect style of investing. I do a lot of reading, and there's definitely plenty of opportunities still out there. So, again, remember, all it takes is one or two to become a winner, and you've crushed the market indices for a year. But, right now, just keep in mind, when you get these big winners, take money off the table. Don't turn into a bag holder. Don't get caught with your pants down. Take profits. I cannot preach that enough. Buy low, sell high. A lot of people get caught up in that it's, going to the moon. Trust me, I've been doing this almost 30 years. These markets are volatile. They run, they crash. It's an endless cycle, and you can make a tremendous amount of money, but you have to do it by booking profits. So this is just my opinion. I'm trying to teach here and help you guys learn to earn. But again, in the end, it comes down to what you making your own decisions. And with that said, guys, we got an alert coming up the end of the week. So make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com with your email and SMS. We see opportunities here in these markets. Sell-offs are definitely great opportunities. I get a little nervous when markets keep running. I really like these sell-offs. So, as Rothschild said, buy when there's blood in the street. And that's certainly the case in some good names right now. So a lot of opportunities. So make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com so that you don't miss any of these opportunities. Be coming live to you tomorrow with a new video. Wish everyone a profitable trading day. With COVID, remember, stay safe, wear a mask, social distance, vaccines are being rolled out, and hopefully we get back to normal by the summer. But in the meantime, let's try and take advantage of these market opportunities while they last. Chat, I hope everyone has a great day, and we'll be chatting with you tomorrow. Thank you, and talk soon. Bye-bye.